Okay guys, today we are on the river, the Harpeth River, and I can't wait to be able to show you guys this amazing trip they're going on. We're gonna go down 3 miles, I think, or 3.5 miles of just the Harpeth River. As you can see, it's a little brown, so it's running pretty nice. I don't know if I'll catch anything. You can see I have my 2 fishing rods, and right now I'm just going against the current. I'm just kind of drifting, but yeah, I can't wait to show you guys this amazing, awesome adventure. Let's go. Adios. Gotta go silent there. We're about to go through some more rapids. Uh-oh, I'm about to go over a rock. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're about to go through some more rapids. Oh, that's a big rock. That's a rock. Fish. Okay. Nice rapids. Oh, that's a rock. There's a rock right there. Now I'm gonna slide this way, so get by the branch again. Ooh, look at that. That's foam. That's basically like decaying water. Foam is decaying water, basically. Or it's minerals in the water. Too much fish poop, basically. Yeah. That's what foam is. It happens in fish tanks, too. I have a fish tank, and I had foam. Not to that extent. It was just around, just a little bit around the edges. But I just fixed it by changing the water levels and cleaning the tank. Just wanted to show you guys that really cool rapid area. Thought that was pretty neat. I didn't record this, but I tried fishing with this in like a little creek that ran from the Harpeth River, branched off. It was like a little creek area. I didn't record that, unfortunately, but that was fun. But we'll do some more kayaking. That was close. Oh yeah. Hello. I forgot you guys were there. Just slowly, nicely going over the river. Actually gonna go under another underpass. So the people on the top of the bridge. Sounds really cool under this bridge. There's a really good echo, too. It got really dark. I think you guys can see most of it, I think. Pretty nice bridge right there. Yeah. Grill that's up in that area. There's a little more rapids over here. Nothing too bad. The family's doing it pretty well. Just these dumb rocks that make it kind of bumpy. Honestly, for this kind of part, you just kind of steer. You don't really have to push. Don't want to hit certain branches like that. I finally just got hit by a branch. That's funny. Yeah, these rapids are actually, these are enjoyable. Because I'm gonna sit on top. If I was in the sit-in, that's the branch that got hit. If I was in a sit-in, I would totally be daredeviling all of these little rapids. There's that big one back there that was fun. Oops, forgot about that one. Yeah. Nice little rapids. So, branch. A big branch. Off to our left. I forget how wide this thing can look. It can like really get a wide perspective, but this branch right over here. That branch. Alright, the rapids are here. Let's do this. You guys can probably hear it. I'm trying to find the safest way. There's like it dips down certain parts. Alright, let's do this. Oh, this is kind of scary, you know? I see the rocks, and I'm like, woo! That was pretty smooth. That was actually really smooth. Way smoother than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, water snake. Oh, okay. That's a deadly water snake too. That looked like a copperhead. Oh my. So I actually just wrote a biology paper on, well, a biology paper, but it's about snakes, like a snake biology paper about snakes. And the copperhead was in Tennessee, and I listed some snakes in Tennessee, and then one of the venomous ones and native to Tennessee, most venomous ones in Tennessee too, was the copperhead. And they look like copperhead snakes, like they're just copper coloring. That's what it looked like. He was swimming through the rapids. It was kind of cool. So yeah. Alrighty. Alright guys, so I went and I checked my phone, and I was trying to dry it off because it's right here, and it got kind of wet. It is waterproof, but I wanted to check it, and I see it, and it said driving turned on. And see, it's not turned on anymore, but when I was going fast earlier, it said driving turned on, like driving focus. So if you have an iPhone, an Apple iPhone, you have this thing called Focus, and you can set a driving focus so you can't get notifications while you're driving. Well, apparently I was going fast enough in my kayak that it thought that I was on focus, that I was going fast enough, because it auto recognizes when you're going fast enough, and it turns on for driving focus. So I just thought that was kind of weird. I wanted to tell you guys that. But yeah. GoPro, stop recording. My goodness, my family just flipped over. Want me to come to me, Jessa? Hold on. Or here, hold on. That was a good job, Jessa. You did good. I know you guys can't see this. They literally just flipped over. It's because my dad's pulling my sister and my mom. They're sharing a kayak, and they were going too fast because they're too heavy. The water was taking them further away from him. They pulled him sideways, and he flipped over because he's on sit on top like this. So yeah. Get you guys in a little bit. Okay, if you guys can see this, I'm gonna turn you guys around. See the branches? Here, let me adjust the camera some more. You guys can see.
A few moments later.
Okay, there we go. I had to fix my camera. But watch this. Dang. Okay, I'm gonna have to lift this guy up. Dang. Okay, you guys saw that. I was about to get hit. I was about to get wrecked. This is so hard. It's 'cause there's another branch. There we go. Man, you guys could see that. And look, my other fishing rod has a stinking branch in it. Man, I guess the Harpeth River's had a lot of tree fallings recently. I haven't been on it that often. This is only my second time since I've been up here. Last time it was in August of last year, so that was the last time I was here. Dang, that was hard. Okay, let's get on with this. Man, they're going way too fast for me. They're like spedding way. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see I should be able to see my whole head, whole body. I'm just kind of on my knees right now. I think I'll break the seat, kind of hurts my back a little bit. Okay, we're going through some cool scenery again. There's some birds just kind of in the rocky areas of the water. Oh, turns out we're at our destination then. Looks like the park's right over here. Yes, Hardingsdale Park exit. Oh yeah, this is pretty cool. You guys can't see anything yet, so I would pass it, but let's yeah, we're here. We're at my destination. I guess that was it for today. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, talk to you guys later. We're here.